This is a pretty common issue with the Royal Star family. Your passing light comes loose. Seen a lot of guys reaching out, hey, how do I fix this? How do I prevent this? I'm going to show you how to do it right now. First thing you're going to do is underneath the ring, there's a screw at the bottom. It's a Phillips head screw. You're just going to loosen that off. And the ring pops off. Light comes out with it. Inside is this little ring. Make sure you remember which way it goes. Okay, your next step, very, very simple. Disconnect the wires. 1, 2. Okay, so at this point, woohoo! What we've exposed is a big bolt inside. Now that's a 12 millimeter head. So you can grab your 12 millimeter wrench and turn it out. Whoops. And your signal's gonna move. The whole thing's really loose. At this point, you can actually use your fingers. So I'm gonna reach in and use my fingers, and you can't see that. So we're just gonna turn the bolt out. And then the whole schmear comes apart. We are going to use a blue thread locker. I don't care what brand, doesn't matter. Just make sure it's blue, not red, not green, blue. This way you can still disassemble it later without destroying your threads. Remember, thread lockers like dippity do, a little dab will do you. All right, you don't need to cover the whole bolt. That's plenty. All right, you're gonna simply put it all back together, start threading it in. Don't worry about the alignment at this point. Just get it together. All right. Beauty. When you go to tighten up the bucket, you want to kind of line up the front of the bucket with your chrome trim. It just kind of squares it up with the front of the bike. Don't worry about where the signal ends up for now. Worry about the bucket. Nice. Last step is just realigning your turn signal. All you're going to do is loosen off the pinch bolt, and it'll turn freely on the stud. There you go. There you go. Tight. And that's it. The bucket's tight. The Loctite will keep it from breaking loose again. There you go. Simple fix to a common problem.